Hey everyone, today we're looking at the top 5 best dash cams on Amazon in 2025. Whether you want maximum protection, stunning 4K video, night vision, or multi-channel recording, these dash cams deliver the best value and performance this year. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's dive right in. Number 1. WOLFBOX G900 Tripro Bumper Version 3-channel 4K Mirror Dashcam. The WOLFBOX G900 Tripro is a 3-channel 4K mirror dashcam featuring the advanced Sony Starvis 2 IMX678 sensor, giving you some of the best night vision footage on the market. It records 4K front plus 2.5K cabin plus 1080p rear, includes 5.8 GHz fast Wi-Fi, GPS, voice control, and even ships with a 256GB storage card. This dashcam is all about premium clarity. The Starvis 2 sensor captures incredibly clean night footage with great details like license plates. The mirror-style display is sleek, the footage is ultra-sharp, and the included 256GB card is a huge bonus. Perfect for drivers who want maximum coverage. Pros: ultra-clear 4K plus 2.5K plus 1080p recording. Best-in-class Starvis 2 night vision. Comes with 256GB card. Fast 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi. Excellent GPS tracking. Voice control. If you want the most advanced 3-channel dash cam in 2025, the WOLFBOX G900 Tripro is easily one of the best choices. Number 2. 4K plus 1080p dash cam front and rear dual channel. This is a dual-channel 4K front plus 1080p rear dash cam offering HDR imaging, Wi-Fi 6, built-in GPS, and a 24-hour parking mode. It even includes a free 64GB card, which is great for beginners. Despite being affordable, it delivers sharp 4K footage and very reliable HDR night performance. GPS tracking is accurate, and Wi-Fi 6 makes file transfers fast. Parking mode adds solid protection even when the car is off. Pros: 4K plus 1080p dual channel, HDR night vision, Wi-Fi 6 for fast downloads, built-in GPS, comes with 64GB card. Great value. For drivers wanting premium video quality without a high price, this 4K dual dashcam is one of the best deals on Amazon. Number 3. S1 Infinite 4K Dashcam, 2-channel, front plus rear. The S1 Infinite features 4K front plus 2.5K rear, recording powered by the Starvis 2 sensor for enhanced night clarity. It includes 151-degree wide angle, ultra-stable 5G Wi-Fi, 24-hour parking surveillance, and a full hardwire kit. The Starvis 2 sensor produces footage with excellent brightness and detail, even on dark roads. The 151-degree wide angle reduces blind spots, and the rear camera's 2.5K resolution is a big upgrade over many dual cams. This is perfect for commuters. Pros: 4K plus 2.5K sharp recording, Starvis 2 sensor, wide 151-degree FOV, 5G Wi-Fi, includes hardwire kit, excellent detail in low light. A great high-resolution dual dash cam for anyone who wants crisp, clean footage day or night. Number 4. Vantrue N5S 4-channel 360-degree dashcam. The Vantrue N5S is a 4-channel, full 360-degree dashcam system with Starvis 2 sensors, 2.7K front plus triple 1080p plus 1440p interior options. It offers IR night vision, voice control, GPS, 24-hour parking mode, and supports up to 1 terabyte storage. If you want full 360-degree coverage, this is your dashcam. Rideshare drivers will love the cabin plus rear plus side coverage. The IR night vision is extremely clear indoors, and 1 terabyte storage support means long recording times without overwriting. Pros: 360-degree multi-camera coverage, Starvis 2 low-light performance, IR cabin night vision, voice control plus GPS, supports up to 1 terabyte. Great for rideshare drivers. For maximum 360-degree protection, the Vantrue N5S is the most complete dashcam setup on Amazon. Number 5. 4K dashcam front plus 3-channel recording, IMX335 sensor. This 3-channel dashcam features a 4K front plus 2K cabin plus 1080p rear using the IMX335 sensor for strong night vision. It includes Wi-Fi, GPS, voice control, and comes with a 64GB card. This is a solid mid-range 3-channel dashcam. The 4K footage is crisp, and the cabin 2K cam captures details well for rideshare and safety. Voice control works smoothly, and GPS keeps accurate records. Pros: 4K plus 2K plus 1080p 3-channel recording, IMX335 night vision, Wi-Fi plus GPS, voice control, 64GB card included. Great value for rideshare drivers. If you want a budget-friendly 3-channel dashcam, this model gives you amazing value with advanced features. And that wraps up the top 5 best dashcams on Amazon in 2025. Whether you want a simple front and rear setup, a powerful 4K camera, or full 360-degree protection, there's a perfect option here for your car. All product links are in the description. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment on which dashcam you're going for.